Vanakkam, welcome to Shiny Pleats, the online silk store. In this video, we are going to see beautiful bridal kanji tissue sarees in various color combinations. Let's get into the video. This is the first saree, beautiful golden shade body with the hot pink border. You can see the pink is really bright. This is the pallu you will be getting, and the whole body they have done a beautiful floral motifs in green, pink and golden shade. This motif you will be getting all over the saree. You can see the richness of this saree in this video. It's really amazing, and this is the pallu, and that is the blouse you will be getting. Plain pallu color blouse. This beautiful kanji tissue saree is priced at rupees 16,500. This is the next saree with white and green combination. So the base color is white and they have done a beautiful golden zari work on it. You can see the body work is with stripes, and in between they have done a beautiful motifs. This is half the border. So this saree is without animal print. In case if you are looking for a saree without animal print, definitely you can check to this saree. So this is how the body looks. This is the border, and this is the pallu, and that is the blouse you will be getting. This saree is priced at rupees 16,500. This is yet another beautiful combination, sea green with red color combination. So it's a bright and elegant combination for brides. The whole body will have that checkered pattern. This is the pallu you will be getting. So on the border you will be getting peacock, horse and elephant motifs alternatively. And this is half the body. Very rich combination. Brides, definitely you can try this out. This is half the border, pallu, and that is the blouse you will be getting. This pretty saree is priced at rupees 16,500. Wow! White and red combination. You can see the body pattern. They have done a wonderful work to this saree, and that is the pallu you will be getting. And this is how the border looks. A classy saree. And this is the blouse you will be getting. So this beautiful white and red combination saree is priced at rupees 16,500. So we have seen already a different color combination in the same pattern, right? So same pattern, but the body color is different. So it's like peach pink. Pallu, border, and this is how the whole body looks. So this also without animal print. ஸோ இந்த சாரியோட ரிச்னஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு வீடியோவில் பார்க்கும்போது தெரியும். ஃபோட்டோஸ்க்கெல்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும் இந்த சாரீஸ். பிரைட்ஸ், வெட்டிங்ஸ், சின்ன அக்கேஷன்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே இது பர்ஃபெக்டாக இருக்கும். திஸ் சாரீ இஸ் ப்ரைஸ்ட் அட் rupees 16,500. நிறைய பேர் plain gold டிஷ்யூ சாரீ கேட்டிருந்தீங்க. ஸோ ஒன் இஸ் அவைலபிள் now. Plain gold and border is done in red color. It's not pure gold, it's a kind of pinkish gold, okay? So this is half the border. They have done a chakra and peacock motifs all over the saree. The body is plain, and that is the top border, little small border. And this is the pallu, golden zari work on it, and that is the blouse you will be getting. This saree is priced at rupees 13,800. This is next saree with another attractive color combination. The body color is beige color with blue color border. The whole body will have brocade kind of pattern all over the saree. That is the pallu with mango booties. And this is half the border. They have done a peacock and mango alternatively. So the whole saree will have this zari work on it. It's a floral motif. You can see the elephant also, and you can see the peacock. Pallu, and that is the blouse you will be getting. This beautiful saree is priced at rupees 16,500. This is again the same body color, beige color and with blue combination, but with a different motifs. So this is how the body looks. This is the pallu. And this is how the border looks. So in case if you are looking for without animal print, yes, this is also another saree without animal print. So you can definitely check to it. And this is the blouse you will be getting. This beautiful saree is priced at rupees 16,500. This is another plain saree with a different border. The combination is like copperish gold and the border color is red. So the previous one is pinkish gold and this is a kind of copperish gold. So that is the pallu you will be getting. And this is the border, plain border. Only on the top of the border you will be getting few patterns. That is the top border. It's a completely plain saree, no motifs, nothing. And that is the blouse you will be getting. This saree is priced at rupees 13,800. This is something different, not a usual color combination. It's something a different color combo. The body color is brown with copper sulphate color border. This is how the body looks, and that is the pallu. So these are not usual combinations in Kanchipuram tissue. Okay, so these are little unique color combination they have tried. So this is how the body with the peacock and leaf motifs all over. This is how the border, and this is the pallu, and that is the blouse you will be getting, a brocade kind of blouse you will be getting. So this beautiful saree is priced at rupees 16,500 again. Wow, lavender with red. Again, it's a very unique color combination. You will not find much sarees in this combination. The body is full of stripes. And they have given a contrast pallu in red. And this is how the border with peacock motif. That is the border at the top. Nice color combination. Lavender with red is always a hot pick combination. And this is the blouse you will be getting. So that's lavender saree is priced at rupees 16,500, and next is with yellow and black. This is how the body looks. The whole body comes with checkered pattern, and this is how the pallu, and this is the border. Peacock, a pair of peacock. Black and yellow is always a favorite combination, right? So this is how the pallu, and that is the blouse you will be getting. This beautiful saree is priced at rupees 16,500. The next is again yellow but with royal blue color border. So this is how the body looks, and this is the pallu. This is how the border. The border have peacock booties in it, and the whole saree looks like this. And this is the blouse you will be getting. This saree is priced at rupees 16,500. Next is pink with copper sulphate color border. On the whole body they have done a beautiful motif, a peacock, and a self pattern is also there. This is how the pallu looks. This is the border with peacock. So most of the Kanchipuram sarees will come with peacock booties. So this is how the body. And that is the pallu, and this is the blouse you will be getting. So this pink and copper sulphate kanji tissue saree is priced at rupees 16,500. This is again a beautiful and rich kanji tissue. They have done a very different style pattern on the body. A checkered, a square pattern. You can see the one square is with booties and another square is plain. That is the pallu you will be getting, and this is how the border. Nice combination. The whole body will have a light shade of pink, the whole saree. The border is hot pink, and that is the pallu. And you will be getting a pink blouse. This pretty kanji tissue saree is priced at rupees 16,500. The next is green with pink combination. This is how the whole body looks. That is the pallu. And this is how the border looks. It's a silver zari work saree. The whole saree is woven in silver zari. And that is the blouse you will be getting. The cost of the saree is rupees 16,500. Next is the same pattern but with different color combination. Sky blue with pink. So the sarees what I am showing you in this video is all for brides. It's a bridal collection. But you can drape it for any kind of occasions like engagement. If you like, you can even drape it for temple visits too. So it depends on individual. And this is how the body. So this is the border, pallu, and that is the blouse you will be getting. Priced at rupees 16,500. Yes, this is my favorite saree. A kind of pista green pastel shade body with a striped pattern all over with zari, and completely contrast pallu, border and the blouse. So this is the border. The border color is pink. So the border have peacock motifs, and this is the pallu, and that is the blouse you will be getting. This saree is priced at rupees 16,500. Next is green, parrot green with purple color border. So it's a golden zari work. This is how the whole body looks. This is the pallu, and this is the border. This is how the whole body looks. And that is the blouse you will be getting with a polka dot blouse. So this saree is priced at rupees 16,500.